Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create reports on the Zoho CRM. So let's get right into it. Now, creating reports is very simple. All you need to do first is go into the reports module. Now, reports are of course important to the functioning of pretty much any business. You want to report on all activity which is important to be reported on, and to have it in your log to know how to act in the future if you come across similar situations and to solve similar problems. You also want to report on the successes and failures of all your endeavors, and that's pretty much all why they're important. Now, to create a report, once you're in your reports section or module, click on create a report, and then you need to select a primary module. For example, I'll make a report on my leads, then click continue. And as you can see here, you can set everything up. You can set up more related modules if you want, or you can delete them. And as you can see, it'll show all leads, and then you can connect that to attachments. For example, inclusive or exclusive. Inclusive means that it'll show all leads created with or without attachments, and exclusive will show only leads created with attachments alone. And now you have your modules. Once you set everything up, click continue, and you need to choose a relationship, which I'm pretty sure I did. Okay, I need to just click done, then click continue, and now you can start adding your columns. For example, you can add lead names, or you can just reorganize this. And yeah, for example, I'm not sure why no data is found, most likely because of the conditions that I've set previously. But if I click run, as you can see, it'll just do nothing. You can edit this and get back to the edit tab, and pretty much you just need to select your modules with which have data, of course, which you'll then save into your report. I'll just discard these changes, and I'll create a new report, and I'll just try to make one out of the leads. Click continue, and as you can see, it'll make a report on my leads. If I run it, it'll show like this. If I edit it, it'll show like this. And then you can just click save, name the report whatever you want, give it a description, and select a folder. For example, lead reports. Click save, and that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.